So now let's try to understand the blockchain types. So blockchain at very high level are divided to three type of blockchain. One is public, permission, and private. Let's try to understand that one by one. So public blockchains are that which are open to public, and the example for that is Bitcoin and Ethereum. So out of these two, Ethereum is most popular because in Ethereum you can start developing smart contract from your side. Then the second type of blockchain is permission blockchains. Okay, and this can sometimes call as an enterprise blockchain because these blockchains are used for the enterprise. And the most popular blockchain in that category is a Hyperledger Fabric. And third type of blockchain is private blockchains, where all the blockchain data is private. Only authorized people can access that information, not anyone else. And the example and most popular blockchain is a multi-chain blockchain in this category.